Select a layer in Affinity Photo, go to Filters, Colours, Emboss. The default weirdly is just a grey, but change the radius and you can see you can create all kinds of slight embosses, but you can also interactively just drag across the screen, create an extreme emboss very quickly. Also change the rotation, etc. Also what you can do, you can go to the Channels panel, you can find that in View menu, Studio and Channels. Go to the red and then go to Filters, Colours and Emboss. And again you've got the default grey, just drag there, and again you can do exactly the same, and also you can change the rotation. Click Apply, go to Composite Green, go to Filters, Colours and Emboss. Now you don't have to use all of the channels of course, but you can use one or two of them. And again, rotation, change the angle again, click Apply. And then go to the blue, and then go to Filters, Colours and down to Emboss, change the radius and again push it to the extreme, and also change the amount, change the rotation and so on. Click Apply. Once you're finished, go up back here and click there, and you see straight away you've got this super colourful, very garish design. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.